Two of the most important things that you can do when opening a support request to log a problem with Tour de Force is to provide log files or utilize the problem step recorder to record the actions that are happening in the problems that are taking place. To capture your log files, if you go to the About menu located in the Home tab, you have several options down here where it says Event Logs. The first option is to save a zip file. This will go out and zip up all of the current log files into a zip file that you can then attach to the support request or email to a Tour de Force employee. The next option is to create an email message containing a zip file of the current log files. This will automate the process of attaching the zip file to the email for you. The third option is to open the TDF log file directory. This will take you directly to the folder where the log files reside. If you're familiar with the log files and exactly what you're looking for, this allows you to pinpoint the particular log file that you need to access. You can then open it up and identify any of the error messages that have been taking place. The log files provide an additional level of detail to our support specialists that can be very beneficial when helping you troubleshoot issues. An additional Windows utility that can be launched from Tour de Force is the Problem Step Recorder. This can be found on the About screen at the very bottom. If you click the launch hyperlink, this will launch the Problem Steps Recorder. All you need to do is hit Start Record, and it will start recording all of your actions. So for example, if you're in the Support tab, and you have an error message pop up every time that you open a support request, and go to the Actions menu, New Activity, even though in this example I didn't have an error message pop up, let's say that you did. At that point, you could hit Stop Record, and it'll prompt you to save a zip file. You can go ahead and save that file, and then if I open that file up to show you what it looks like, you can see that we have a nicely documented file with all the steps that you took to recreate the problem and screenshots every time you clicked your mouse. The Problem Step Recorder is a Windows utility that is available to anyone running the Windows operating system. If you go to your Start menu and type in Problem Step Recorder, an option will pop up for you to record steps to reproduce a problem. So you don't necessarily have to launch this utility through Tour de Force to record an issue that you're having. This can also be valuable to your internal IT administrator for other issues outside of Tour de Force. So whether using the Problem Step Recorder or acquiring the log files from your system, both of these options provide an additional resource for our support specialists and can greatly help them in assisting you with your request.